Professor Sprout lived in a cozy greenhouse, filled with all sorts of magical plants. One night, she noticed a little seed lying alone on the ground. "Oh, what a peculiar seed," she thought. "Let me give it a chance." She carefully planted the seed in a tiny pot, watered it, and whispered a magical spell. The seed began to grow, and soon, a beautiful, glowing plant sprouted. "Wow, this plant is unlike any I've ever seen," said Professor Sprout. The plant grew taller and taller, reaching the ceiling of the greenhouse. It bloomed with bright, colorful flowers, and its leaves shimmered like the stars in the sky. "This plant is so special, I must find it a suitable home," thought Professor Sprout. She searched high and low, but no place seemed quite right. Then, she remembered a forgotten corner of the magical forest, far from prying eyes. With great care, she transported the plant to its new home. As she placed it in the ground, the plant let out a sigh of contentment. "There, you are home now," said Professor Sprout. "I hope you bring joy to whoever finds you." The plant thanked Professor Sprout with a warm, friendly glow, and she knew she had made the right decision. As she returned to her greenhouse, she felt a sense of peace and happiness. She had helped a special plant find a home, and in doing so, she had helped herself. "Good night, little seed," she whispered. "I'll see you again soon." And with that, she closed the door to the greenhouse and went to bed, dreaming of the magical adventures that awaited her tomorrow.